Jobzumi AI is a new tool that's shaking things up in the AI space. And in this video, I'm going to share 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're even slightly curious about this software, or whether it's the right fit for your needs, stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly what makes Jobzumi stand out and whether it's worth trying for your business. First off, you're probably wondering, what exactly does Jobzumi AI do? Well, it's an AI-driven platform that helps businesses streamline their operations, from automating tasks to improving customer interaction. Think of it as an all-in-one tool that integrates seamlessly with your business systems. It's designed to save time, reduce overhead, and increase productivity, all powered by advanced machine learning algorithms. Sounds powerful, right? One of the most notable features of Jobzumi is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. Whether you're handling customer support, marketing campaigns, or data analysis, Jobzumi can take care of a lot of that busy work. For example, you can set it up to automatically respond to common customer queries, freeing up your time for more strategic tasks. This is especially helpful for small businesses or startups that may not have large teams but need to maintain efficiency at scale. Another standout feature is Jobzumi's reporting and analytics capabilities. The software doesn't just perform tasks, it also tracks performance, giving you insights into how your operations are running. You can get detailed reports on how effective your marketing efforts are, how customers are interacting with your brand, and where improvements can be made. For anyone serious about growing their business, data-driven decisions are key, and Jobzumi makes that process easy. It's also incredibly user-friendly. The interface is clean and intuitive, meaning you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Whether you're familiar with AI tools or not, you'll find it simple to navigate. Plus, Jobzumi offers plenty of tutorials and customer support, so you're never left in the dark. One of the more interesting features that I think many businesses will love is the AI-powered marketing tools. With Jobzumi, you can automate ad copywriting, social media posts, and even email marketing campaigns. This takes a huge load off your plate and ensures your content is optimized without having to rely on external agencies or spend hours drafting content yourself. If you're focused on growth, this is a game changer. Now, here's where things get really exciting. Jobzumi also integrates with popular third-party tools like CRMs, social media platforms, and email service providers. This integration capability means you don't have to worry about learning a whole new ecosystem or disrupting your current workflow. It syncs with your existing tools to improve efficiency across the board. But of course, no software is perfect. While Jobzumi is incredibly powerful, there are a few areas where it can improve. The customization options could be a bit more flexible for advanced users who want deeper control over certain features, but that's really just a minor gripe considering how comprehensive and useful the platform is overall. Lastly, let's talk about the pricing, which is one of the biggest draws for Jobzumi. You can try it completely free right now with the link in the description below. This is a big deal because in an industry where AI tools can often cost a small fortune, Jobzumi gives you access to powerful features at a fraction of the price of its competitors. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for an AI software that automates tasks, improves efficiency, and helps your business grow, Jobzumi AI is definitely worth considering. As always, I've got a list of my recommended AI tools in the description, which you can try for free after testing thousands of options myself. Go ahead and check it out. I'm confident you'll find something that helps your business thrive. Make sure to click the link below to get started with Jobzumi AI for free. Thanks for watching.